Hello everyone and welcome back to Lotus Premier Education. My name is Amanda and I want to be your college tutor. Today we're going to talk about one thing that comes up all the time in the college application process. And that thing is the why this school supplement. So many colleges will have a supplement where they ask, why do you want to attend our school? And they can ask you this question in several different ways. Fun fact, they can also ask you this question in several different pieces of the application. So when you're filling out the Common App, when you want to go to a school-specific application, you go to your dashboard and you click on the school you're applying to, and you can see their questions from there. But there's no category where all the schools specifically put their supplements. They could be at any point in the application. However, many schools will have the same question. Why do you want to attend our school? Now, most students read that question and the thing that they focus on is our school. Why do I want to attend this school? And so they write their first drafts very dedicated to the school. They talk about all the wonderful things that the school has. They talk about all the reasons they want to go. But what they don't talk about is themselves. Most of the questions follow the same format. Why do you want to attend our school? So if you don't include the you part, the why supplement is going to be weaker. So many of you may be wondering, how exactly do I answer this supplement? Well, the first step is you want to write down a huge brain dump about all the reasons why you like that school. And I keep emphasizing you because there are several things that make a school great. But it's you and the school together that are going to make the essay stand out. So you should start with a list of programs that you want to participate in. You should start with a list of extracurriculars that you would love to join, professors that you would love to work with, classes that you would love to take. And then the key point is when you're making this list of all the reasons why you would like to attend a certain college or university, you connect it back to yourself. So for example, if you really want to study government, but you're most interested in international relations and maybe specifically international warfare, and one of the professors on that faculty is a specialist in that or was a former U.S. Secretary of Defense, and you started an international affairs club at your school, you should connect what you have already started with the professor that they have on their campus. What this is going to do is allow the school to make a unique connection between you and the resources they offer. When they are reading your why supplements, they need to make sure that they can place you on campus and that you are not only going to make the most of what is available at their school, but that they are going to get value from accepting you. Remember that these supplements are also a little bit of a marketing campaign. You need to convince them why they should accept you and why you are going to contribute to their campus. It's not all about what their school can give you. So, once you have this very long list of all the things that you would love to do at their school, that's when you get started. We have several templates for this question on lotuspremiereducation.com. You can look up some of those formats if it would be helpful, but you should make a template for yourself of how you want to answer each of these questions. Some students start with a creative opening, some students start with a very sentimental opening, but the thing you should remember is that why questions can really vary in length. If you have one school that gives you 500 words and another school that gives you 150 words, the same answer or the same type of format of an answer is not going to be able to apply from one to the other. The other thing that you want to remember, if you're making a template to answer your school's why questions, you need to make sure that every single essay you write and turn in has the same emphasis, the same passion, the same feeling of, I really want to go to your school. Because one thing that I see that will happen a lot is students get fatigued from having so many supplemental essays. And so they'll come up with this frame, they'll fill in all the school-specific details, but then the more that they do, the less impassioned the essay becomes. And that is just not appealing to a school. They need that one essay to stand out and to show them that not only are you definitely going to attend, you are definitely going to make an impact when you do attend. So just to recap here, for your why questions, number one, start with a very long list of the things that you love about the school, that you would participate in, and that match between you and the school. Once you have that list, come up with a framework for how you want to outline and answer this essay question, usually with some type of creative opening and also with some type of catchy conclusion. Remember that admissions officers are reading thousands of these same essays every single day. So you need to make sure that yours stands out in their mind. If you have any other questions about the Why supplement, comment down below. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe to Lotus Premier Education for more insider tips on the college admissions process. We'll see you soon.